Hi, welcome to BizSight 365, and welcome to our inventory transaction and management series. We will review that you can manage service items, you can manage inventory items, basically those that you want to track your quantities on hand and track your quantity movements. Non-inventoried item, maybe one-time buys. We will discuss how you can set reorder points, set up your stocking levels, do physical inventory, set up your ABC codes, and then process and do inventory adjustments, adjusting them up or adjusting them down. Keep in mind that all through the system, um, BizSight 365 automatically updates inventory when you ship a product out or receive a product in through your purchase orders. And what we will not talk about, but do want to mention, is that it does have material planning capabilities, where the system will allow you to plan, time phase, and plan based on demand and supply as well, which is included in the manufacturing side. But the focus here is purely inventory. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm already logged into BizSight here, and notice that I can get to the inventory side either from the top navigation or from the left navigation. Here I'm choosing to open this from the left navigation, and then select items. The list of items, it's a list, and then we're going to click into one of those. Maybe we'll choose brakes, and I'm going to add an image to this. It basically allows you to select a product image. May not look like a brake, but we'll go ahead with that. And that's the item type is where you define whether it's an inventory or a kit item or a service item. And then notice that I'm entering some reorder points, restocking levels that will later on be used in reports as well as planning for inventory. You can also set ABC codes that we just did. Let's go ahead and save. Next, let's go ahead and go and process an inventory transaction. When a transaction is made, the accounting side is also affected, so it's a question of what account you want to use. Usually it's some kind of a cost of goods sold account. Um, if you're not into the accounting side but just want to do some inventory transactions, put a placeholder account there. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 500 units of inventory, and my inventory is showing a negative amount, so it adjusts it. Let's go and save it, and at this point we should have that updated. Next, I'm going to take a different kind of a navigation. I click on the list of items. What this does is just list all your items, and then you can just plug in the values of the plus values or the minus values to adjust your inventory. Next, we're going to go and take a look at a report, and there I'm choosing, selecting the inventory type as well as choosing inventory stock status, and you should get a stock status report with quantity on hand and reorder points. Let's go ahead and export this out to Excel. Again, if you need to do some analysis with it, that would be a place to do it. There are other reports that you can get to. So let's go ahead and look at maybe, why, give me a list of all the items that are showing as negative for whatever reason. And there you are. Next, I wanted to touch on my early mention, or what I mentioned earlier about being able to receive through purchase orders. So just want to touch on that just a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and create a purchase order for the same brake. We're going to order 1,000 of them. Notice all the prices, last purchase price, everything comes in. I can preview it, I can email it, I can print it. Here I'm going to save it, go out, and then When the product is in, I'm going to receive it into my stock. You should see my total of 1,000 that I plan to receive. I'm going to receive them all. I'm going to save it, and your inventory is updated. Again, I hope that provided an introduction into the capabilities of BizSight as it relates to inventory. If you have any questions, please visit biztechnologiesonline.com or send us an email at hello@biztechnologies.co. Again, thanks for watching.